In a world full of villains and strife, a new hero emerges. Gorgeous Empress, born into royalty, rejected her privileged life to become a warrior. But when a jealous queen seeks to end her reign and steal her powers of beauty, will Gorgeous Empress be strong enough to overcome? She stands firm, ready to fight back with all the beauty and power at her disposal. The fate of the kingdom hangs in the balance, as Gorgeous Empress faces her toughest challenge yet. Will she triumph over adversity, or fall to its destructive grip?
Mindblowing free AI created this video with a simple prompt. Can you believe it? Artflow has a new feature called Create Hero where you describe your hero and it creates a story for you. This fantastic AI creates the transitions, storyline, and voiceover. All you have to do is sit back while the AI quickly processes the video for you. Let's start. Go to artflow.ai. Sign in for free. And choose the feature hero story. Choose the hero details. And that is it. Astonishing, right? If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to use artflow.ai, just check out the video in the description. Free and easy. So are you ready to start creating? Enjoy it. It will blow your mind. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's create amazing projects together.